Ahoy, YouTubers and RC enthusiasts out there. I'm the RC Whisperer. Welcome to my little channel, and please subscribe to my channel and help me grow into a big YouTuber. Smash the bell button, give me a like, leave a comment. Please share my channel with friends and family that like RC stuff, and I'm here to entertain, inform you guys, give you some RC top tips, things like that. So but anyways, let's get into this little video of I'm going to be replacing the mini servo for changing high and low gear on the transmission for my HG trasped military Hummer or Humvee. And if you watch my channel, I did the same thing on my on my civilian Hummer, also from HG trasped, and this one is a Predator 139 digital servo. So I'm going to be using this one to replace the stock servo on this one, and this one is all metal gears inside here, because on my civilian Hummer, one of the tooth on the gear here on this side here, it stripped off, it broke, so it was skipping, and then I decided to go for metal gears, and I just don't understand why HG trasped did not do this for these awesome RCs. Why did they use metal gear servos for these awesome RCs? If I'm not mistaken, the steering servo does have metal gears, and it's been performing well, but this one is not stripped or anything. But I'm just going to replace it anyways for future. I'm going to be driving in the future, and then as well as if I'm somewhere, then I don't want the servo to break while driving, and then I have to replace it anyway. So anyways, but today is going to be the day that I'm going to be replacing the little servo for this awesome RC. So I have to take the body off and then replace the servo, and then most probably make a little, I'm going to make a little video with the body off, and then so you can see the chassis and all that. I'm sure there are many RC channels out there that have reviewed many of these RC cars and taken the body off, showing the chassis, because the chassis is all metal, and it's very nicely detailed and things like that. So I mean, the doors open, this part on top here opens, this one opens, and as well as the there we go, and as well as the hood of the truck opens, and as well as the doors on the other side open up as well. So but anyways, just gonna take the body off and then replace the servo, and then most probably gonna make a little video with it changing gears, and so it's working properly. See you guys in episode 2. I've got the body removed, so as you can see, all the electronics, the motor and the transmission. I replaced my motor, by the way, with the Traxxas 550 Titan monster motor, and this one does have a little fan in the back here, so it'll cool the motor. If you're looking for a motor upgrade, this is a cheap and easy way to replace a stock motor, because I have heard that the stock motors burn up pretty quickly on these things. So go ahead and replace it with one of these, and I've got these motors on my Tamiya Agrios and my Juggernaut 2, no problems, issues whatsoever, and they are waterproof. But anyways, here's the stock servo, so I just gotta cut the zip ties off and then just replace it. So when that's done, make another little video about that one. On to episode 3. I got it installed and zip tied it down, the wires, so it's in neutral now. Obviously I'm not going to drive it with it in gear, but there's the low gear and the high gear, and there we go. Easy, simple fix. So another RC top tip for you guys out there: if you have one of these HG trasped awesome RC Hummers, or they also make I've seen these semi-military trucks and things like that, yeah, just go ahead and replace the stock servos. Well, I'm not the steering servo I haven't had any issues with, so it works perfectly fine. It's pretty powerful. And just this little micro servo at the back here to change the gears you need to replace. Well, here's another little RC top tip from me to you guys out there from the RC Whisperer. Thank you very much for watching this little video, just a short little video. But I have read and did a bit of research, is that shorter videos are viewed a bit more. But I mean, obviously in the future, if I'm going to be driving around making running videos of my RCs, then there will be a bit more longer, or even maybe in half an hour to an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. We'll see what happens in the future. But I have some other plans going on for my RC world at the moment. So yeah, in the next video, I'm going to most probably be modifying my Tamiya Agrios. So I've got some parts for that, and I'll be making another little video about that. And then see what happens in another little video after that one. I'm most probably going to be building the Clawbuster, so that's going to be quite a lengthy video. But anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it so much from you out there, and I hope you enjoy this little video, and I hope it helps you out a little bit to modify or upgrade your awesome RC trasped HG Hummer military civilian. So, well, thank you so much for watching again. See you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya. An ending of an episode 4 video, just to show you that the servo is doing its job properly. So, put it in neutral. And then low gear. Oh no, sorry, high gear. And then low gear. Well guys, see you in the next video.